Remember when you were younger, you used to see those fire trucks go zooming by your house and think, man, I'd love to do that someday when I get older. Well, I had the same dreams and aspirations when I was a little kid, and luckily, I was able to fulfill my dream. Hello, I'm Matthew Miller, and today I'm here to give you an informative speech of some of the benefits about being a firefighter and why I became a firefighter. Today we're going to talk about, of course, why I became a firefighter, the school that I went to, and some of the certs that I got out of it, and the day-to-day life of being an Air Force firefighter. Let's go ahead and talk about that first topic. The reason why I became a firefighter is because my dad and one of my uncles were firefighters when they were younger. And since I looked up to them, and I always wanted to be a firefighter, I figured, heck, why not? Why not go ahead and fill those boots? That's the reason why I became a firefighter. Plus, I also wanted to help out my community. That's my nature. The school I went to was down at Goodfellow Air Force Base in Texas. It's a 13-week-long course, and it's very, very tough. Some of the things that we had to learn down there were structural firefighting, aircraft firefighting, how to extract pilots out of aircraft, and a little bit of hazmat. Plus, many other things. And just like any other tech school, we had many, many hours of studying. Some of the certs that I received from that school could be carried over into the civilian world. And my certs, coming straight out of that school, surpassed many of the colleges that have firefighting courses. So, if I were to get out right now and go into the civilian world, I would be a front runner at getting a civilian job if I wanted to. The last thing we're going to talk about, or I'm going to talk about, is the day-to-day life of being a firefighter. The day-to-day life of being a firefighter can be very challenging. We have to leave our families for 24, 48, sometimes 72 hours a day, at a time, and be away from them to go ahead and protect the community that we serve, which would be the bases or surrounding communities. But that's the life that we love to live. Now, the day-to-day life that we have, it is filled with training inside the classroom and out on the fire ground, learning and perfecting our job. It also involves checking out our truck or trucks, making sure that all of our equipment is in working order, just in case the community does need us. We have fun-filled days, but sometimes we have days that are filled with sadness. But that's for a different subject. That brings me up to my conclusion. Being a firefighter is sometimes stressful, sometimes very hard, but most of all, is very rewarding. Now, today we talked about why I became a firefighter, the school I went to, some of the certs that I got, and the day-to-day life of being a firefighter. I hope that you enjoyed this speech, this informative speech, and kind of get a small insight of why I became a firefighter and some of the day-to-day operations. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.